Hello friends, hope all of you are doing good. Today I will tell you one of the major important thing that you need to check before you launch your Shopify store. If you do not update these contents on your Shopify store before launching your store, it will definitely give a negative impact about your store on or your brand to your customers. So let us see what it is. So it is about the checkout page customizations. Shopify store owners actually they customize the home page, they customize the product page, collection page, everything. They give very much importance to that. But at the checkout page where the customers have to enter their shipping information and where they have to actually add their payment details and where the actual conversion takes place, make sure you update your brand identity over there also. What I mean is you should update the logo, update your brand colors, everything on the checkout page also. Let us see how we can do that. Before we begin, please do subscribe to our channel for more informative contents like this. To your Shopify admin panel, click on Customize. From here, click on Checkout. Okay. Now you have to click on Open Checkout Settings. And when you come here, you can see that here you can upload the logo and all those details. See here on my store, it is shown as online store test where the logo is not updated. By default, actually, what is the store name? It gets shown over here. So it doesn't look good when your customer comes into this checkout page and see something like this. So you have to upload your logo over here. So what I have to do is I have to click on this one logo over here and I need to update that. Okay, so you see the logo gets updated and you can click on save. I can change the position of the logo where I want. If I want to be over here, I can show it on the left side. I can bring it on the center. I wanted to show it on the center, so I'm showing like that. And I can also adjust the size of the logo, whether it has to be small or bigger. So I'll show a little more bigger logo over here. We can also change the background colors also of these areas if we have a brand color. So I'll show you how to do that. So main content area is actually this section. So if you want, you can also upload a background image over here. I'm not going to upload a background image. Let me show you how you can actually change the background color. For example, I'm going. Okay, so this area's color has changed. Now if this is actually the order summary area, this section, if you want to give a different color for that section, you can do that. So you see there is a section called order summary, and then you can come over here and actually change the color for that particular section alone. So whatever is your brand colors, you can actually add those brand colors also on the checkout page. So you can also change these accent colors and the button colors, the error colors and all over here. So see here, these are the colors for these accents and the links that we have. So we will change that color also. So I'm going to give a smaller color like this. Then I'm going to give it this color. The button color also doesn't suit my brand color, so I will change the button color as well. So I will put this, I will change the button colors. Then the error color can be red, or if you want to change that color also, you can change that by clicking over here and changing that particular color. In this way, you can actually edit the checkout page so that it matches all your brand colors and all your brand guidelines. So before launching your store, always update the checkout page to have your logo and your brand colors, so it gives a very good user experience for your customers.